Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Meghana Vaijay from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, from the Department of Basic Science, Computer Science and Engineering program first semester. Now I am going to discussing about the subject is waste management. In this subject, the subtopic is waste collection system design. The following contains our introduction waste collection system, waste collection vehicles, types of collection system, importance of waste collection, benefits of waste collection, and main objectives of waste collection. Introduction. Waste collection is a part of the process of waste management. It is a transfer of solid waste from the points of use and disposal to the point of treatment or landfill. Waste collection also includes the curbside collection of recyclable materials that technically are not waste as part of a municipal landfill diversion program. Waste collection is major and crucial step in waste management process. It is defined as a collection or gathering of waste from the source of generation and all them to the transfer stations, processing sites, disposal sites or landfills. Hence, waste collection does not mean the gathering of waste alone. Waste collection differs for commingled and source separated wastes. Source separated wastes that are biodegradables, recyclables, and non recyclables are collected separately from different collection centers or containers and taken for further processing. More diffuse is the waste collection, more is waste generation, and more complex is waste collection. Waste collection is costly component of waste management. Around 50 to 70% of total waste management cost is utilized for waste collection. Waste collection system. Waste collection is a part of the process of waste management. It is the transfer of solid waste from the point of use and disposal to the point of treatment or landfill. Waste collection vehicles. The collection vehicles are of different types, classified based on their size and compaction. Small scale collection and muzzle powered vehicles, non compactor trucks, and compactor trucks. First one, small scale collection and muzzle powered vehicles. These vehicles are commonly used in rural and hilly terrain. Vehicles such as rickshaw, bullock carts, and tricycles manually are usually used for this purpose. These vehicles are comparatively low cost and easy to construct and maintain. These vehicles are appropriate for areas with dense population having narrow streets with comparatively less quantity of waste generation. Restricted travel range of these vehicles and exposure of weather which influence humans and animals are some of the disadvantages associated with these waste collection vehicles. Second one, non-compacted trucks. Non-compacted trucks are known to be relatively more efficient and affordable. These vehicles are generally utilized in small cities. These trucks are preferred when labor cost is high. Similar to muzzle power vehicles, non-compactor trucks are also operated by single person. Restricted travel range of these vehicles and exposure of weather which influence humans and animals are some of the disadvantages associated with these waste collection vehicles. These are used for dense waste that has minimum potential for compaction. These compactor trucks have capacity in the range of 10 to 12 meter cube and are generally used to cover small distances of less than 15. The non-compactor trucks are usually covered to avoid flying of waste material and entry of rainwater into the waste. Third one, compactor trucks. These vehicles are provided with compaction system to hydraulically compact the waste. Compaction increases the capacity of these trucks by 2 to 2.5 times. The capacity of these vehicles range between 12 to 15 meter cube. The compactor trucks are suitable for narrow roads. However, the small collection vehicles such as tricycles and bullock carts can discharge their waste into the compactor trucks. These vehicles are provided with lifting mechanisms to discharge the waste from stationary containers located at the source of generation. The emptying of the containers can be done from the rear, front, or sides of the vehicles. The compactor trucks can carry waste directly from the source of generation to waste processing site. The major advantages of compactor trucks include large size, higher capacity, covered and safe for waste handlers due to minimum exposure. The compactor trucks cannot be used for waste that are dense, wet, gritty, dusty, and abrasive waste. Types of collection system. The waste collection systems are classified based on the mode of operation, equipment used, and type of waste collected. Based on the mode of operation, the collection system is characterized into two types: hauled containers and stationary container system. First one, hauled containers. In this type of collection system, the waste containers are hauled to discharge the waste directly to the transfer station, material recovery facility, or disposal site. This system is commonly used in places where the size of the containers is large and rate of waste generation is relatively high. Large containers will avoid waste accumulation, unsanitary condition, and improper use of small containers. The major advantage of alt container system is their flexibility to use containers of different size and shape. They are also available for the collection of any type of waste. Alt container system also minimize the size of collection crave as it requires one truck and a driver for a round trip to the waste processing or disposal site. Highly compressible waste can also be transported to the alt container system. This system always requires one collector driver for collection and emptying the containers. There are the three types of oiled containers: hoist truck, tilt frame container, trash trailer. Hoist truck system. Hoist truck system previously were used at a military setting up, but after the arrival of self-loading waste collection vehicles, its usage has been restricted to few pickup points where use waste is generated whenever and coefficient system would incur high cost. Frame container system. Tilt frame loaded vehicles are used for collection of rubbish and other solid waste. Tilt frame loaded vehicles along with large containers are called as drop boxes or roll off containers. Large volume of waste can be hauled with the tilt frame loaded vehicles, due to which they are popular among private collection services. Trash trailer. It is similar to that of tilt frame container system. They are the best suited for carrying heavy rubbish such as metal, timber, and sand. They are often used in construction sites to collect demolishing waste. Second one, stationary container system. Stationary container system is used to collect all type of waste. In the stationary collection system, the storage containers remain at the source of generation according to the type and quality of waste to be handled. The stationary container systems are classified into two types. One is system in which the collection vehicles are loaded manually. Two, systems in which the collection vehicles are loaded mechanically. System is which the collection vehicles are loaded manually. This system is commonly used for collecting residential source separated waste, litter and commingled waste. Manual loading is done at places where the waste generation is small and the accessibility to pick up the points is difficult for mechanically loaded vehicles. Systems in which the collection vehicles are loaded mechanically. The capacity of these containers used in mechanical containers is zero point 0.9 meter cube. It facilitates ease of loading and provides greater flexibility. In some cases, large containers are also used as a substitute for number of small containers. This system is not suitable for the collection of heavy waste. Example: industrial waste and rubbish. The stationary container system involves worker fatigue and increased capital and maintenance cost. The personnel requirement for the stationary collection system varies from 1 to 3 depending upon the types of service and collection equipment. Importance of waste collection system. The most important reason for waste collection is the protection of the environment and the health of the population. Rubbish and waste can cause air and water pollution. Rotting garbage is also known to produce harmful gases that mix with the air and can cause breathing problems in people. Waste collection companies also sort the garbage into recyclable columns, as recycling the products that leave our homes is of utmost importance. Recycling not only helps in conserving our natural resources but also reduces the cost of production of many products. Products such as glass, oil, plastic, paper can all be recycled, which will ultimately put less pressure on the natural resources used to manufacture these products. By inspecting the vegetation around landfill sites carefully, you can determine the damage that can be caused by garbage and waste if left untreated in the open. To address this problem, modern waste management professionals place garbage in lined holes and use bacteria to help facilitate its rapid decomposition. Rotting garbage and waste emanates a foul smell that can cause nausea among people who come into contact with it. It can also be a source for waterborne diseases such as cholera and abdominal conditions and discomfort. Since water sources need to be protected, the role of waste disposal companies is very important. These organizations should make it a priority to secure their landfill sites so that water bodies are not affected by the garbage and waste collected from homes and commercial establishments. Benefits of waste collection system. The collection of waste is an essential service that provides numerous benefits to individuals, communities, and the environment. Here are some of the benefits of waste collection. One is promotes public health. The collection of waste helps to reduce the risk of diseases by removing potentially harmful materials from the environment. Proper waste management also reduces the risk of water and soil pollution. 2. Improves the aesthetic appearance of communities. Regular waste collection helps to keep communities clean and free of litter. This can enhance the aesthetic appeal of neighborhoods, improving property values and promoting civic pride. Reduces greenhouse gas emission. The collection of waste can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by diverting the organic waste from landfills to composting facilities. This reduces the amount of methane gas produced by decomposing organic materials in landfills, which is potent greenhouse gas. Fourth one creates job. Waste collection and management provide employment opportunities for individuals and can contribute to local economic development. Fifth one conserves natural resources. Proper waste management includes recycling and reuse, which can reduce the demand for new raw materials and conserve natural resources. Main objectives of waste collection system: minimize the production of waste. Proper management practices help minimize and the garbage and scraps that need handling. Reduce pollution effects. Secondly, it's vital to lower the impact garbage has and pollution. Protect groundwater sources. Ensure sustainability. Finally, the conclusion is waste management can be defined as the collection, removal, processing, and disposal of materials considered waste. Waste can be put into landfills, incinerated, recycled, or composted. The most sustainable way to manage waste is to recycle and compost. Thank you for watching.